Hi, my name is Molly Russo, and I wanted to share my story with you about my scoliosis. So, at age 14, I was diagnosed with scoliosis. I found out my upper and lower curves, I have a backwards S, and both the upper and lower curves were in the mid 40s. I was told I had to wear a Milwaukee brace for 22 hours a day, along with doing exercises daily. Until I stopped growing, which was around age 19 or 20 or so, at which time I went back to my doctors and they basically said that my spine had not improved. It didn't get worse, but there's nothing more they can do for me. So I took that kind of discouragingly, but I moved on. For the next 30 years, I stayed very active, weightlifting and running and hiking and lots of different activities, and started feeling a lot of back pain, muscle spasms, not sleeping well. So I thought, this is not the quality of life that I'd like to live. I went to see a couple different doctors, probably 3 or 4 different spine specialists, and each time I left there, I was more discouraged. They told me there was nothing they can do. I went through physical therapy, acupuncture, massage therapy, chiropractors. I visited them all, and nothing worked. So I went online. I found Dr. Hirsch and the Scoliosis Correction Center. So I went to see him. I went to one of his sessions, which is a 2-week, basically an 8-day intense physical therapy session. Found out my degrees were no longer in the mid 40s, they were in the mid to lower 70s, which was mind-blowing to even know that. After the 2 weeks with Dr. Hirsch, I found out my spine or my curves had decreased. He sent me home with a physical therapy protocol and a scoliosis chair, which I used once to twice a day for the next 3 months. I went back to see Dr. Hirsch for a second session, realized my curves in my spine had decreased even more. I was totally blown away. I am now in the upper 50s as far as degrees go. So take a 52-year-old spine and see what Dr. Hirsch can do for it. It's amazing. So if you're experiencing at any age, preferably younger. If I had found Dr. Hirsch when I was younger, I probably wouldn't be in the boat that I'm in. But things are improving. I feel great. I'm active. I can do things now that I couldn't do a year ago. So if you're experiencing anything with scoliosis, look up the Scoliosis Correction Center, and I'm sure he can make your life changes for you.